So students, let's see if this works. Descending order, it is working. So in case of ascending order, we have written my list j greater than my list j plus 1. In this case, just the opposite of it. That means my list j less than my list j plus 1. So by this process, what will happen? This element, if it is less than this element, so in case of descending order, yeah, it's working. So descending order, just here to change this my j list less than equal to my list j plus 1. Okay, in case of ascending order, you are writing just the opposite of it, and then remaining things remain same. By this process, we can display the output in descending order. So same linear search you can also do with the eval function. So eval function is a built-in function used in Python which parses the expression argument and evaluates it as a Python expression. In simple words, the eval function evaluates the string like a Python expression and returns the result as an integer. So using eval function, same descending order sorting of bubble sort can be done. So you see here I am running it. So here I can give any list I want. Let us say I am giving 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 of any length. Let us say 100 of any length. Let us say 23. So automatically it will sort the list in ascending order. Okay, and also similarly, if you change it to less than this thing, then it will also be working as a descending order sorting. See, directly it is printing the unordered list in descending order. Okay, so this eval function is very powerful function. It is it evaluates the string like a Python expression and returns the result as an integer. So I hope you understood the this bubble sort algorithm in with various from various point of view. You have understood the implementation of bubble sort in Python.